Hello friends, welcome back to Online Maths Hub. We have this problem right here. So this is x power 6 plus 7x power 3 minus 8, and of course we've been asked to factorize this expression. Okay, so we're just going to be doing that in this video, but just before we continue, if you are new to our channel, do well to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and also turn on the notification icon so that if we release new content, you will actually get to know about it. And of course, if you are watching us on Facebook, do well to also like this video, and of course follow our page and share this video to your friends so that they will also get to enjoy that. So we're going to be solving this Olympiad problem right here, and of course you see how to go about solving it. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is actually to write this, and of course I can write this x power x6 as x power 3, okay, and then to power 2, so that when I do 3 times 2 it actually gives me back 6. Okay, so plus 7x power 3 minus 8. So this is minus 8. So what I want to do next is I'm going to set this x power 3 to be another variable so that it becomes more convenient for me to solve. Okay, so let's say let x power 3 be equal to, let's say, y. That becomes the case. What I'm going to be having here is y squared and then plus 7y minus 8 over here. Next, you can see that this is typical quadratic equation, and of course it's factorizable, and the factors of these are just 8 and then minus 1. When you multiply them, it's actually going to give you minus 8, and then when you add them it gives you a positive 7 right here. Okay, so having gotten the two factors, I'm going to do y plus 8 right here, and then y minus 1. Okay, so that's what I have over them. Okay, so moving on, but I've actually set my y to be x power 3. I'm going to replace it, so I'm going to write this one first so that I now have x power 3, okay, minus 1. So I'm writing this one first, okay, and then x power 3 plus 8 over here. Okay, so clearly you can see what I have here. And of course, this one can also be written as 1 power 3, so that I can now expand this. And of course, if you remember that expression, that's a power 3 minus b power 3, you can actually expand this to be a minus b. Okay, and then of course a squared plus ab and then plus b squared. So I'm going to be using this to simplify the first bracket right here, so that I have that x. So of course in this case my a here is x and then b here is 1, so I have x minus 1, okay, and then x squared plus x times 1 is x, okay, and then plus 1 squared here will be 1. So I also have this x cubed plus 8 on the second bracket. Okay, so moving on, I am just going to go ahead to simplify this, and of course I can write that to be, x cubed plus, I can actually write this 8 here as 2 power 3. Okay, and of course if you also remember that a power 3 plus b power 3, you can expand this to be a plus b, and then a squared minus ab plus b squared. Okay, so if you expand this, it's actually going to be giving you this. So this is what I'm going to be using to simplify the third bracket right here. And of course these ones are already simplified. I'm going to leave it that way. So I have x minus 1, okay, x squared plus x and then plus 1, okay, bracket. So what I now have in this case, a is equal to x and then b is equal to 2. So I have x plus 2, okay, and then into x squared minus, so this will give me 2x, and then of course plus, okay, plus 2 squared is actually going to be equal to 4. So this is what I will have. Okay, so moving on, I can just go ahead to arrange it properly. So I have that my final answer will be equal to x minus 1 and then x plus 2. Okay, so I'm going to write this x squared plus x plus 1 and then x squared minus 2x plus 4. So this is going to be the factorized form of the expression we are solving. Okay, so and of course that is going to be the final answer. So thank you guys so much for watching, and of course do well to subscribe to our channel and make sure you also like this video, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.